No. Sally and I are at the waterfall behind the Douglas Hotel. And this is the lower part of the fall. There are several waterfalls here actually, but they're just difficult to get to some of them. I've got to catch up with Sally. Funny thing to say. She doesn't go that fast, but anyway, and there's wild garlic everywhere here as well. Here we go. Wild garlic. There's Sally waiting for me. Good dog. Look at that face. I'll just zoom in just so you can see. That's the dog of concentration. Look at that. Isn't that? She's just making sure I'm coming. Right, there we go. Now it's okay. What a good dog. So yeah, we've just been into Brodick and been in Arran and met Amanda and Colin who came from the mainland to see Sally today as well. And then I thought I'd take her up to this little waterfall because it's only, what, 2 minutes walk from the Douglas Hotel. There we go, going the wrong direction. I think you can still hear a whistle. Got a tent up here as well today, that's unusual. Nice tent, got a chimney and everything. Bluebells. A heron just went over our heads there. That's what I'll do. See if I can zoom in on it. Maybe if I can. I'll try. Yeah, there it is. Oh, it just went flying off there. There it is. So we didn't really see it for very long. But anyway, that heron just went above our heads. There's wee Sally. Bark, bark. That's a good dog. She's not so fond of getting close to water, so she'll not come down where I am. In fact, what I'll do, I'll go down this way. She'll probably stay at the top of this wee slope because she's done this before. She doesn't come down. She just kind of looks at me from afar. So she's not so sure about it. But anyway, here we go. There's been a lot of rain lately. The waterfall behind the Douglas Hotel. Isn't that amazing? I'll just check what Sally's up to. Oh, there she is. She's coming. She's looking for me. Again, we've got the dog of concentration there. Just looking and making sure everything's okay. Not coming down. She'll stop right where she is. Yeah. What's she doing down there? Don't you know it's not safe? There's a lot of water down there. She looks sturdy up there. She's eating well today, so that's great. There we go. Back to waterfall. Wee bit of river here. Another waterfall to the left, but that's fallen away from us, so you can't really see it. Used to be a bridge there. Over to what was the garden centre. Back to waterfall. It's like someone's actually made that waterfall because it's so flat and uniform. But they haven't. Just natural. Just beautiful. Just come and sit here. It's actually raining as well. But I'll maybe try and show you it. Raindrops on the top. See them? All sparkling away. Like little stars, aren't they? Like fireflies or something. There we go. And I'll just get back to show you. Oh, Sally's going to, oh, she's coming to see. There we go. Right. You know you shouldn't really be down there. Okay, Sally, that's okay. We're all done. That's that other waterfall I was talking about down there. I'll maybe try and get round the other side to show you. See if I can show you from here. A bit of a steep fall here, so I don't want to go too close. No, maybe not. Yeah. idea. There's a lot of white water down there, but it's a bit difficult to see. Anyway, okay, that'll do. TTFN.